The minister who traversed Nyamirenga village, Muchahi, Bubare Town Council headquarters, Chitagenda, Chamabale, and Nyachihanga emphasized maintaining harmony and the national unity even amidst the political competition. He reminded the residents that the present election periods have witnessed instances of the intimidation and clashes fueled by the political rivalry practices he said must be avoided by this time around.
Only in this constituency, with the right to intimidate any of our supporters or supporters of the other country. We have a history of violence from the last elections. I want to assure you that we will not allow violence to occur in this constituency again.
Musasizi, who has served as the Rubanda East MP since 2011 under the ruling National Resistance Movement ticket, also used the rallies to highlight the government's flagship parish development model, a program he said is transforming the lives of the citizens at the grassroots. He pledged to continue advocating for the increased financial inclusion and stronger monitoring of the government programs to ensure that the resources reach the intended beneficiaries.
On the PPM, I am happy our people have started thinking about working for money, because I have asked them whether they produce something for the market. And they have said yes, they have the chicken, the goats, the rabbits, the Irish sweet potatoes, etc. The pigs, they are already at their homesteads keeping these animals and growing some crops for sale.
Musasizi's message were well received by the enthusiastic crowds, many of whom credited him for initiating and supporting the various development programs in an area over the years. However, voters also raised concerns about the condition of some roads within the sub-county, which they said hinder access to the markets and services.
Minister Musasizi mazime chintu kikugira ngo ntihabwanja kinkolire nyenka akikolira abantu bona ubaleji urugoto ruranyegero ruguroku harukozire kandi turatambura nge turagendaje nobare mwanto hamwe hacari munka hacaburabura mu ruguroku agwo kugira ngo njura yagwa mitunga gurarabamo amabale gacukuke so konka minister mazima atukolire ke abantu babo bale ward nziga minister dala ni burungi munonga akubaringaniza abantu tarashobora mu dini no mu nganda agize kubakugarukanisa bara yanga kugarukana.
As the campaign season rolls on, Musasizi vowed to continue directly engaging the communities to focus on the priority areas, including the youth, employment, education, and improving the health services across Rubanda East. He expressed to hold more rallies in other parts of the constituency over the coming weeks.